Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have started with the texturing of this particular WAG12 locomotive over here. So let's continue with the texturing part. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be texturing this area. So for this, let's open Photoshop over here. I'll just open a Photoshop application over here, and we'll mix two textures over here and we'll assign it. So before that, few things which are just left out will be just texturing that elements over here. So let's go into the material editor. So I'll go into this file, open, and we'll check out two metal textures over here. So I have two textures with me right now. So I'll add two of it, and I'll just click open over here. Let's just open these two textures. After that, we'll merge these two textures. So let's just take this texture over here. So we'll be merging these two textures over here. So I'll just open this. I'll just drag it over here and just press Ctrl T. I'll keep it over here and I'll just give a mask over here. And I'll go into the brush and I'll remove the edges from it. So if you need this, you can utilize it in this way. You can go into this main image adjustment and I can make it more darker if required. Again, I'll go into the brush. Alright, so I'll just save as this and save it in JPG. Let's go into this, select this coupling part, and go into the Vray Material. Go into the Vray Material. Go into this diffuse bitmap, and I'll just put that texture over here. So go into this and let's just give a UVW map. So set it over here. Alright. So if you want, we can just keep it in this way. Now select this area, go into the material, and I'll again assign this metal over here. What I have just created over here, we'll just assign that particular stuff over here. Same for this. For this, just I'll select this and I'll give the same metal shader over here for this. So whatever is required to unwrap, we can unwrap it. So if it is not required, we'll just keep it as it is. So select this part over here So I'll go into this. I'll just go into the modeling section and I'll just put a swift loop over here. I'll select this area, go into the material, I'll give a metal over here, select this, go into the material, and we have combined these two metal shaders mix, and let's give a UVW map cylindrical, set it in this way, and same for this, convert to editable poly, select this polygons, and we have another metal also over here. So we have taken, okay, that is the same one. Okay, I can assign this metal also over here if required, and let's give a UVW map. So convert to editable poly. So I'll just keep it as it is. I'll just duplicate this over here. So if you feel that you need to unwrap something, you can do that. So let's just go over here. Few things are just left out. So select this and this. So I'll just assign the same metal color, or we'll just make it, okay, that is a mirror section. So we have another metallic stuff. So I'll just assign that for this darker area. No. Okay, that is a. So select this. Okay, that's what you set in. Just give a set-in material for this. I've assigned the set-in material for this and this part and this part will assign the same material over here. So select this all, go into the material, let's assign this. If you want to give some kind of, oh, it's very reflective. If you don't need any kind of reflective material for this, you can change that. So I'll just select this and I'll give this, I'll change it, much better now. Alright, so again save your file. So let's go over here to the bottom section, select this part, so go again into the material. If required to unwrap, you can easily unwrap it. That is possible over here. I'll show you how to unwrap this. If you want to unwrap it, I'll just show you how we can unwrap this area also. So for all of this, Okay, that's a bit different. So alright. Okay, we have defined the reflectivity a bit. So define a bit. Alright. So select this again. Go into the material. I'll just assign the satin over here. So how you can unwrap this? If you want to unwrap this area, I'll show you how. So you can just go into this and just give unwrap UVW. So let's select this polygons. So select this first, convert to poly, unwrap UVW, select the polygons. Okay, selecting this way. So select the polygons in this way. It's a big time selecting such stuff. Okay, now better. Alright, so after you have selected this, so what I'll do is like, I'll select the stuff which are in front over here. So just select that part totally. So after selection is done, I can just go into this. I go into the projection. So what projection you need? You need a Y projection and quick planar map. Open UV editor. Alright, you can just relax it and rotate it, push it out. That's it. So you have unwrapped this area over here. Again, I'll select this part. So again, I'll go into the UV editor. I'll subtract this area over here. So you only need this area. So I can just subtract that much of the area which is not required. So I'll just subtract that area. And again, I'll give a quick planar map. And I'll just slightly shuffle it over here. And I'll scale it. Alright. So once you're done, you get this from the top. If it is required, you can select this quick planar map, open UV editor, again rotate it, push it over here. The same way that can be done for the bottom section also. Quick planar map, open UV editor and rotate it. That's it. So the left out part is this part. So that can be unwrapped if you want. You can easily unwrap it. So I'll just select this half part, quick planar map, push it out, select this, quick planar map, push it out. So you can just select this edges. So I'll just flip this. So you can just go into these tools and stitch selected, or you can go into this vertices. Oh, okay, you need to flip this also. Alright, so now you can just select this, tools, relax, start relax. Alright, so you can just scale this, select the polygons and scale it. You can just put it over here in this way. So the same way you can do it for this also. And once you're done over here, you can just check it by just assigning a standard material, and I'll just assign up a checker over here and just assign it. You see that your checkers are perfectly set over here. That it means it is properly unwrapped. So you can just go into this again, UV editor, and you can just place all these elements inside this box. That's your quadrant over here. Scale it. Then you can just save it and you can go with further on. So I'll just end isolate this. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.